Jazmin video. Today we're going to make clay art. So we're going to make also these pretty, like I think that, so you know what are these, so I don't have to tell you anyways. So today we're gonna make some clay art. So kind of like, you know, like what you hang up in a tree. Say it out loud, please. Oh, you know, we're making ornaments. So I'm gonna take this out. This is a screen. It works well, and it also has a button. I don't think it works. I'm gonna put this on. Now we can also make something. We can use our hands. Use anything. If you don't have this one and you lost it, you can use something else. Like this one. If you have this one, you can make it like that. But if you have pencil and paper, you can draw. So what I'm gonna think. I'm making the heart. I'm gonna make this one today. So this one, and this one is like really, it's special. So if you want to make anything, you can make it about your parents, your love, anything you want. It's your drawing, not mine. We're gonna first use the clay. So I'm gonna dump every clay out. Dump. I don't think it's gonna come out.
Jasmin, first put the wax paper.
So I'm gonna first put the wax paper. And remember, I have to put the wax here. Here's the long wax paper. I'm gonna dump them all in. There. No. More. Here. I'm going to try to take this out because it's so hard. Yeah, this is really hard to take out sometimes. So these are my things. Like these are clays, but these are made of like plastic. So if you want to be it warmer, you can like rub your hands with it, and then it's gonna get a little wet. I don't think it's gonna get wet. It's gonna get a little dry. Is it done? Oh yeah, it's done now.
You can give me one, I can help you. No? Let's see. I'm taking this white one.
You can also sometimes use your breath. so well. I tried.
And this one, Jasmine,
Well, thanks.
you can give me one more, I can help you. Is there any way we can make it a little bit create ornament design? Just make it on a look. Okay, give me one more. Oh no, give me the other one. No, the red color, red or green. Yeah. No, you can go with this one. You can give me now pink. I can use pink.
So if you want to make something, you have to get inspired, like with anything, nature or something here or something everywhere. So I got inspired with making the love shape and also making these jingle bells. So now we're going to put this in this, like,
oven.
We're going to bake it. So we're going to bake it in
20 minutes.
20 minutes and 275
degrees.
So we're going to go to the stove.